Hey everybody, we're back. This is Scare Rookie, and there you have it, folks. A vampire killer kit. Again, a recap. I bought a suitcase on eBay, paid about 40 bucks for it. Had some styrofoam. I used a hot wire foam factor kit to trace out all the items, cut it out. Bought some felt, glued it in, and put my family heirlooms in. So here are some of the things that we talked about in our first video. And I like the way it turned out. Actually, if I had to do it all over again, I don't think I would change anything. I fully intended on making it look older and used, rough around the edges, taken care of, but still used. If you think about a vampire slayer, they're not going to walk around with this beautifully laid out trunk with everything perfectly beautiful and brass. They're going to travel a lot and they need to be inconspicuous. So to me, it'd make more sense that you'd have a kit in a travel case like this and have everything kind of laid out. As you guys can see, there's the mallet, the wooden stakes, the antique bottles, the Bible. There's all the products we talked about in the first video. There's the Bowie knife, the 45 caliber pistols, and some silver bullets. And these are I made most of these just like if you're traveling, you're gonna have documents or maps or records or whatever. And so this is just talk about bats, how to identify different bats, stuff like that. I mean, they're vampires, they're also bats. This is a medieval map that I found of Europe. Just kind of put some notes on there, like, tracking migrations or whatever. Vampire migrations and stuff. And then this one is a medieval map of Transylvania, where vampires supposedly came from, etc. Whatever story you're reading. Just took some old paper, an old map, printed it out, made some markings on it, aged it with some, tea stain, burnt some holes in it, just made it look used. And then some money. You can't travel the world looking for vampires if you don't have some cash, European money. So, yeah, there we have it, guys. Your fully functional vampire killer kit, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. And I will probably definitely make another one, but it was a lot of fun. So let me know what you think, and I look forward to your comments. This is Scare Rookie Productions signing off. Keep on scaring, guys. Talk soon. Bye-bye.